Just going over a couple items on the BCS 770. This machine has been upgraded now to the BCS 779. The difference is longer handlebars. I use this machine primarily in front PTO mode, and I have to say the balance is really good on it. And even with this machine at top speed, you really don't need the longer handlebars so your legs don't hit the engine, so it's really not necessary. Right now I have this machine tied up to a 38-inch mower. This mower is probably 20 plus years old, but it is exactly the same as the current one. One thing I have noticed with the 770 and the balance is I did add a 3-inch extender to the machine, and I found that gives a lot better balance, especially when accelerating with the hydrostatic, right? You know, the big difference with this machine, of course, is the hydrostatic. It makes mowing much easier than with a standard transmission machine. Have about 70 hours in this machine. I'm just going to do a quick demo and show everybody how it starts and stops and how hydrostat works with the mow. Obviously not needing a clutch, you can shift a heck of a lot faster than you can, you can shift a heck of a lot faster with the hydrostat than you can with the standard transmission. Also, modulating the hand brakes in this configuration makes turning the mower a heck of a lot easier. Hope this is helpful in your purchase. Thanks. Good evening. Bye.